$199 on the brand's own site, $62 for what looks like the identical device under a different name. We review it so you don't have to. Kneemedy is a cordless knee wrap. Vibration massage, 3 heat levels, red light, and laser, it says. The origin story is a retired engineer in Florida who invented it for his wife. That story appears only on affiliate pages. The same hardware is sold under at least 5 other brand names. The ads are confident. The only 4 clinically proven methods to relieve knee pain, they say. Medical grade. Battles osteoarthritis, they say. So I did what the title promised and checked the spec sheet against the studies. The wrap's red light runs at 615 to 650 nanometers. The research that showed any real effect for knee osteoarthritis used 785 to 900 nanometers at specific doses on specific points. This wrap's wavelength matches none of those studies. And the big independent review of laser therapy for arthritis by the Cochrane collaboration concluded it is not uniformly effective. What you are left with is the honest part of the product: heat and vibration. For stiff, achy knees, that is genuinely pleasant. And it is palliative, not medical. Even a verified buyer on the brand's own page said it. Not sure about the lights, but worth it for the heat and massage alone.
The pricing is the other tell. $179 to $199, struck through from $429, forever. The near-identical Phytech listing sits at $62 to $89 on Amazon. 5 out of 10 as a heating wrap. 2 out of 10 as advertised. If warm vibration helps your knees, the MedCursor equivalent is about $49. And it makes no laser promises. If that was useful, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews, and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.